Welcome back para sa isang epic na travel adventure. For these episodes, samahan niyo ako sa bansang puno ng makulay na kultura, iconic na mga templo, food trip na pang malakasan at mga tanawing sobrang breathtaking. Tara, explore natin ang Land of Smiles, the amazing Thailand!
So guys, currently we're living channels out of city with the people of the universe. Our plane is very big. We're traveling again after a year. Nakakaloka!
Good morning. Good morning, Chief.
So ayan, we're currently boarding to Manila. Alam niyo ba guys, na during elementary kami na. Kami na. Pag elementary, kami ang seatmates. Diba? Karon seatmates mi dali.
Dapat may picture tulo.
Ay, ipakita to sa immigration.
Naka sa Facebook.
Kita ba nito? Sure mo nga, magpapasin yan. Maldita nga ko ano ba? Immigration. Ay, bigat. Wala, hulog. Hulog. Kita niyo yun?
Una, lalaan, gutom-gutom.
Bahala ba pamahaw, basta kayo makalaag. Hi guys, good morning. And we're currently here in Naiya 2. We just currently landed at Naiya 2. Hi guys, so currently na namin dari karon sa Naiya Terminal 2 and time check it's 12 noon. And first in the agenda is to eat our lunch and mga hopefully by 3 p.m. magsugod kami sa among journey towards going over the immigration and we're praying that okay na natatanan makaabot mi og Bangkok niya wala man things ana siya. So later ako apod mong i-guide kung unsa ang step by step process both for private and government sa employees unsa ang mga dapat nga i-secure nga mga documents and what are the steps. So ayun na nga. Alright. Kakain. Alright guys, so currently na namin sa Naiya Terminal 1 and we just paid our travel tax worth 1,620 pesos. So our next step 2 is the immigration, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. May immigration na ba? Yeah. How do you feel, Sam? Na next time immigration. So our next is immigration. Mahilak na. Madud lang ba? Hi guys, so finally, all of us passed the immigration officer! Oh my God, ang ulba ikan pa o. Pati mauhaw dyan o, nando sa stay dahil. Nakawalin pa na niya kay Pasay na iya 1. So ang tip lang it mga guys, sa kuhan. Confident lang it po karang be true to yourself. Sa mga to, since we are government employees man, travel authority lang, very powerful git na siya. Once you have that tap Kari kayo mga certificate of employment. So, mo siya, don't, but kabado yun siya. Like, actually, to be honest, guys, karang kung ano, mga bayagan na, wala ko nakatulog since kanini. Kasi doon ako na, tsaka ma-upload. Minsan ko, so, sa TikTok. Pero, kalaman lang yun siya. Tapos, agad mo na mo cubicle. So, kuhan lang tayo siya. Kalma.
For the lines.
Yeah, line lang. Siguro lang yun ka nagkuhan ng kumusta na yun ang aside sa so, currently, namin tayo sa lounge sa Terminal 815. So, ang boarding is 7:55. Ang departure. So, mga 7:15 siguro ang boarding. So, we will be spending the rest of the 5 hours here. So, mag-shika kami. O mag-distress mo sa amo ang ibakit tungkol sa I.O. But the most important thing is, so, wali ka, kapag kaya
Magdali!
So we're here at Pags.
At the war.
Naiya 1 Pags. So this is a privilege sa mga merong cards. Like mine, I have RCBC, JCB Platinum. So I was able to enter here to have the access, the principal card holder and one companion, free one companion. So I brought with me my best friend Joshua. And then I was able to negotiate with the receptionist. I have one Union Bank Gold Visa, so I could be able to bring another one. So that's it.
Actually, this one is very expensive din niya sa Jansan because it costs 100 pesos for 4. Like when you buy it in front of SM, it's only 20 pesos for 4. And the taste, the SM's version is tastier than that of the airport.
So everything here is free as long as you have the access because it's a privilege.
And guys, I just want to share this one to you. I've been waiting for the merch, Starbucks merch in Jansan for I think a month now. Tapos wala din siya available. So good thing may Starbucks. There is an EA one. And then nagbakasakali lang ko if they have merch. Good thing I naa sila stock. So I got my planner. Kasi I already got one, pero giregalo na ko sa tawang ate sa office. So, since napaman ko ma-redeem, I maximize the moment.
Katulugan sila kay they were really,
we were very worried about the I.O.
So,
kasi it's first time, so sa amin gipauna. Pero lang may tapat yung passport.
So, we are 6.
Yeah.
And then we are 6.
Nabili na ng 2. No, upload ako pati. Dami ilang for my guys, promise.
Yeah, you should try if na.
Then I also got one pure matcha latte with 3 pumps of white chocolate mocha. Mahal lang sa og mga pila to, 30 pesos compared sa dyan sa Starbucks. Guys, update. Time check. It's already 6:18 in the evening and we're currently
At 8:17.
our terminal was transferred to gate 17. Transfer, di ba?
From gate 15 to gate.
What do you call the process? It's transferring.
No, it's not. They'll mention that it's terminal.
Yeah, I get. So we will be boarding at 7:15 in the evening, and we will be bounded. Be bound. Hi guys, currently we're off to our aircraft. Ay, sulog na lang. Di sa bunch ka lang. Kasi kawas ang mga hindi ka naroon na makinig. No. Sa tatakyan, paal ba gihapon?
Mga pili na pili.
headed inside our aircraft going to Bangkok, Thailand. And we're just waiting for our way para na-free siya. And
Just waiting for the takeoff.
Before our us taking off. So time check, it's already 8:10. According to our pilot, we will be arriving at Suvarnabhumi Airport by 10:15. So God bless us, and when we arrive there, we'll give you an update. Bye!
Ground temperature 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
So this is my first step in the land of Thailand. Hi guys, good evening, and finally we're in Thailand. So currently we're going there because we're not going there to check our baggages. The first problem is signal. We need to have connectivity. This is a lazy tour. Alright, so currently we're already here in Suvarnabhumi, Thailand. And we're just waiting sa among luggages. And baggage language barrier because they can't even speak even simple English.
Nagkasya mo sila na bago nakawag ng foreigner.
Oh, nana. Wala na sila kabalo. Asa sila mga to, guys?
Where can we find a glue
Stall.
glue?
Club. K-L-O-O-T. Club.
What is glue? What is glue?
Oh, wala na sila kabalo sa ilang buhaton. So, yeah, that's part of being a traveler.
Ngayon po, we're very lost because we don't know what to do.
That's part, mana. That's part of the travel. Being lost.
We have already arrived here in Bangkok, Thailand, and nakasakay na sa amo ang Artista Van. And we're currently traveling towards our Airbnb. Everyone's tired, and time check lang. Time check. 12:06. So Philippine time is 1:06 because they are 1 hour delay here in Thailand. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, because we have a friend here. She is a vlogger.
Who?
You.
Me? Oh my God! I didn't know that. Dari sa Thailand mga guys, kay naa sa right side ang driver.
Asa si Sarah?
Muting nice ang ano. Correct.
Come on, mom. Wala ko dako. Ang galang. So this is our staycation. Our Airbnb. Napa dito sa isa. Okay, and then... sorry. Perfection. Yeah, dali ako dati. I'm fine here. Andun ako, Teresa.
Morning, Thailand! So, it's our first day here in Thailand. And currently, nagpapakita kami yung 7-Eleven. No, it's 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven na makaunayan eh.
Wala ka mga bigo.
Gani, kaya mga mother, ibili nila ang nagunit sa susi, ang nag-arrange sa tanan.
Mga excitement ng mga shaka.
Yeah. Ay, gwapo kayong sundan. Correct. Ang ka ng entrance nila kasi wait lang, open. Ula! Correct. Okay, so we will try their products here. Nga, lami ito daw kaayo siya. Pero ito 49 baht lang, correct. Ay, correct. Hello, bongga. Okay, nice. Currently, mamili tagilang food na rin lang sa 7-Eleven. It's very mura ha. But I want breakfast food. It's 47 baht lang siya. For only 90 baht, I bought this breakfast. Tanan na siya rice, tanan na siya katong extra kanabayan, and tanan siya water. Water only costs 14 baht, so correct. Awa ang dampi sa sun sa akong skin. Mura siya 3 PM. Nice kaayo. Oh my God! Amazing! So amazing lagi ko. Yun lagi ko. Hi guys! Good morning! This is our first day here in Thailand. First thing on the agenda is to visit Pattaya. So specifically the Nong Nut. That's how they pronounce it here, and Sanctuary of Truth, and hopefully other places near the area as well. So, baba namin ninyo. Let's go!
The pollution is pollution eh.
Yeah, actually, naman dyan kwan ron.
PM sa...
Okay, go! 2, 3, go! There's a very dynamic karon sa Gems Discovery, and it is part of our original toy. But we are living in Pattaya, tapos no pay daw, no pay. So this is free for tourists, I think. So namin na rin karon, so just after their batch will be our batch. Nakuratan me, pero okay, you need to pay 3,000 baht. Oh, to be. We cannot go home. So, enter here. Dapat mo niya, Daremen.
May isa akong lesson lang. My God.
Tining sinaunang kuan guys, sinaunang tagay.
Dito. Meron silang mga anak.
Yes po.
Dito daw, sabi ng paminari ko.
It's like a fantasy. Alright guys, so currently natatagal sa Nong Nut Island. So actually this is 600 plus at first. And babaran pa later kung we will avail the bus shuttle na mag-tour sa mga for the entire place. But currently, nadadari ka rin sa ilang cactus garden. So, this one, nice kawan. Woo! Baby! So, currently guys, nadadari ka rin sa ilang elephant na side. Yeah, so there are a lot of elephants, diba day? So mag-vlog na lang mo dali ka, mag-share mo dali sa likod, 20 baht. Look what we have found. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Amazing ka. Ay, grabe si Lord. Nakaabot si Midari, di ba, Day? Yeah, kari-kari nga nasa likod.
Kari-kari.
Sa, ano, sa movie rin ako din siya nakita. Tapos karoon ka sa Suddenly It's Magic.
I feel so free. It's like a fantasy.
Yes, yes.
Oh, no.
Dili ya ang ano ha.
Mag-arms siguro ta dali. And then pag may
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So this is our food for our day 1. This only costs 80 baht. Alright, so we're currently here sa Abu Dhabi siya. And then abot sa like atong karaos that's over there. Amazing kaayo jud guys. So in the words of Angel pa, lahi dili mga Tagalog justice sa picture, lahi gid sa personal. Tama. Mga bay sa nung nut is very the best yun siya. Karon kay galakaw na mi because we will be jumping to our next destination. So at the moment, nami karon sa Khao Sisan. Mura siya katong the Buddha that's kanang na laser cut siya sa kanang ilahang bukid. So, pakita naman sa inyo karon. We're currently walking there. Init lang ang adlaw pero the hangin is correct. Bye, that's it. That's what we are meant. Yeah. Oh, amazing. So, na laser cut good siya. So, currently naada sila ganap dali. That's why naa sila yung mga ay, si ganap pa. Kasi nga ganap. Ali-ali lagi ni. That's it. Tapos na picture. Pero grabe ka init, Jude. Grabe maka-discriminate sila sa Pilipinas, specifically sa Jensen. So, sa tawag niyo, Ani. Na-explain daw, comment down below. Grabe ka init. Oh, good siya. Na-cooling effect niya kung fan. Hapo din na siya ma-effect. Grabe ka init. Alright mga guys, nato isa big Buddha. Ha? Nga naman? Nga naman? Currently namin dari karon sa Pattaya Beach. Maka-amaze lang siya because this is not very normal in the Philippines. Pero dari ang ilahang beach na sa highway. Tapos grabe dagan kayo person who are kanang gina-enjoy ang ganap. Tapos in fairness mga guys, limpyo kayo ang Lang siya. Tapos pino siya nga puti.
Picture to nila.
Amazing. Guys, this entire stretch from here to there, puna na siya afam nga.
Dili lang mo guys.
Nawa na apektuhan sa kainit. Ang kainit niya is just like the Philippines, pero ganahan kayo sila. Magsige sunbathing. Tapos actually, kami lang ang naka well-dressed na rin. Guys, oh, ang Hilux guys, ilahang gina-jeep. On in Pattaya. Diba?
Parang pa,
Wow, no, super nice here. So we'll try to buy. Nalalaban na nila Ate Coco. Ate Coco, gumising ka na. Paparating na sa Ate Coco. Ate Coco. Ate Coco. Pwede na bumalik. Hi guys, the current sini pa kalang ginaan. Namin direct karon sa Sanctuary of Truth, our last, second to the last stop for today. So, tired, kapoy, di mo siya kapoy, makadrain lang ang init zone. Good thing we still have energy, so we will go. Thank you. Wala, correct. Wala, nice. Hi guys, so now we're currently falling in line, going inside sa Sanctuary of Truth. So we belong to English group. So kaya ang pikas man, so dili ko din mag-Thai. So sa English lang. Mo sila mga katapad. Di ba wala sila katabot? Wapo, nasa nakapunti. Hi, hello. When you look at here, you're mine. Thank you. It's going to where this one pala.
So my name is Pyong. Alright, so I'm gonna take you inside the museum. So we're gonna spend time together for about 30 minutes.
Happy Valentine's Day. Ay, nice siya dari. Oh, look, nice akong kuha. Correct.
Okay. Alright, this one here, it is for the window. This is the original model of the museum. So here, we use the wooden wheels, wooden boards, like this one here. 4 years old. It was built out of hardwood, like ironwood. This is the symbol of a wood. Okay, everyone, please mind your steps. You can use both way here.
Halalaban mo dira man na saya. Oy, nagsige naman na sila picture nga pak ganon si ate mo banderita. We're here at the Sanctuary of Truth and wala na naman ipadayon ang katumura ilahang educational tour. But now, namin diri sa ilahang one of the windows. And amazing kaayo yun as you look at the sunset. Tapos magbutang na siya filter, tapos magbutang ko kuhaan ka ng pum-pum. Sabi nila, ang buhay ay parang biyahe sa daan.
Oo, kamay dyan ang biglang magpa-siguro. Jobs? Yan pa ito.
So currently, namin diri karon sa the Bangkok, Chinatown. And yeah, today is Saturday. Ikanit Pattaya. So now we're looking for something to eat before going back to our Airbnb. Actually, many foreigners here na mga taga-US sa amazing. Amazing siya. So currently, we're looking for fast food where we can eat for amazing. Yeah, the original. welcome to Yanggurin.